Have you ever wanted a device that is like Stream Deck but has way more features? Well, look no further, because today I'm doing an unboxing of a product called Loupedeck Live, and I'll be doing my first impressions of it as well. Let's go right into it. Alright, so in front of us we have the Loupedeck Live. Keep in mind that Loupedeck has sent me this device for free. They did not sponsor the video or tell me to say anything nice about the product. This will be a fully honest review. We're gonna be checking it out right now today, unboxing, giving the first impressions. It won't be a proper review video. I will do that in the future when I check out the device even more, but this is the unboxing right here. So we have the instructions and the warranty and all of that stuff. We're gonna put it onto the side right here. Keep in mind the quality is really good. It is really nice, and the device right here in front of us. Look at that. Very sleek and minimal design. I like it a lot. Very thin, by the way. This is the first thing I realized. It's very thin. It has 7 different buttons over here, and then the 8th one is the home button, which is this one right here. If we click it, the buttons are very tactile and clicky. I like them a lot. We have the knobs over here as well. 6 knobs, 3 on each side. They're all very tactile. You can hear that each click as well when you go through. And they're also clickable, so you can click each of the knobs to like activate them or whatever you assign them to. The screen is a touch screen as well. It does have the haptic feedback as well, so you can use it to like swipe across different pages. I've seen people say that it has 7 pages over here as well, but you can slide with your finger to go to different pages as well. So there is like infinite amount of pages that you can assign it to. It is a USB-C power device, and we get the cable inside as well. We do get the riser included, so we can use it to, you know, put it up onto the table as well. It's very nice. And we also get the USB-C to USB-C cable with the included USB-A adapter. So here's the adapter right here. We have the USB-C to USB-A adapter, and we get the USB-C to USB-C cable. The cable is very short. I've seen a lot of people complain about it, that it's like too short. Let's check it out. It is a, you know, pretty short cable. People have complained that they cannot even plug it to their PC if it's like a bit further away. So keep that in mind if you are gonna be using this cable. You can get the extension cable on their website, or you can just use like a cheap USB-A extender, where you can use this right here to plug in over here, and then use an extender to USB-A onto your PC if you want. All right now we are gonna be checking out the device. We're gonna plug it for the first time into our PC to see what we get and how to set up the device. Right, so we have the device right here. I will be using my keyboard USB-C cable just because it's right over here, you know, handy. I don't wanna like go around and plug this new cable in. We're just gonna use this one temporarily. All right, so we just plugged in the device right here. It is starting. It has these like Pac-Man kind of icons. But we have to install the software on our Windows PC. All we have to do is just go to the website, find the Loupedeck software, download it, and then open it up. Once we open it up, it says what's new in the version. That's fine. And then we can launch the Loupedeck. So once we launch it, we have a lot of different things already like custom assigned over here. We don't have the Loupedeck CT. We're gonna go to Loupedeck Live, and this should be showing our proper Loupedeck and our Loupedeck that we have right here. Okay, wow, not gonna lie, I just realized, and I've been playing with this for the last 10 minutes probably, trying to find out why my device is not being connected by Windows. And what I realized is I had to turn off my VPN. So my device did not work until I turned off VPN, no matter how many cables. I thought it was the cable first because I'm using the keyboard cable that I have, not the original cable. So I tried plugging the real cable and it still did not work. I realized that as soon as I turn the VPN off, the Windows actually realized that this is the device connected, and it found it. So it's asking me to update the firmware, which is obviously what I'm gonna do. Click update. This is the first time thing, just to install firmware for a new device. We're gonna be installing that right now. It's gonna be restarting it. But yeah, keep in mind that if the device does not work when you plug it in, you have to turn off your VPN, or at least whitelist the program in VPN, so that way it works later on. I've been playing it for the last 50 minutes probably, and I just found out about that. All right, so now that our firmware is updated, we have the newest firmware installed, we can go ahead and set up different buttons. As I said, this is the default profile that you get when you set up the device. you have the first thing is our Windows volume. So as you can see right here, if we click our Windows, if we use this knob right here and we control it left and right, our Windows volume goes up and down. It also shows on the device itself right here. You can also see it on the screen. It goes up and down, and if we click it, we can set it up and lock it, basically mute our windows with the click. It's very, very nice. We can do that for our, volume, our songs, skip the songs. We can see our week, all of that stuff over here. We have a stopwatch. Apparently, if we click it, it should work right here. If we click the stopwatch, the number goes up. We can click it again to stop it. I'm guessing if we hold, we reset it. Perfect. Yeah, we basically do that. Very nice stuff. It's very, very responsive. And you can feel if you click it and if you don't click it, basically like you can realize when it works, when it does not work. There's different, like, what is this smiley icon? Oh, it opens up our emojis on our windows right here. That is really cool. We have, I'm guessing this is print screen. So for our screenshots, yeah, right here, it opens the screenshots on our windows if we want to take a screenshot. All of these different things we can set up custom on our Loupedeck program. So there's a lot of different things you can do, a lot of different plugins that you can set up for this software. Just like Stream Deck, we can have, different plugins for OBS and all of that. But the best thing that I realized is this profile right here. If you click the profile, there's a dynamic mode on, which means that if we open up any of these programs right here, Illustrator, Photoshop, Lightroom, anything, it will automatically switch the profile on our Loupedeck to that program. So we can, change the brightness, color, correct, whatever you want to do, it will automatically do it. And then again, you can play around these settings and you can set up whatever you want yourself. You don't need to use the ones that are set up by Loupedeck. You can change them up and set them up yourself. There's also the import profile button, and I'm guessing if you go online, find more app profile. I'm guessing if you go online, there's a lot of other programs that a lot of other people have made, and then you can import those profiles for all these different programs to set it up yourself, to use for your device. There's so many different things that you can do. If we click on these different pages, we can, restart over here. This is our home page, as I said, and then we have the first page right here. And you can also apparently go with your finger and scroll through different pages. I think we need to have more pages so you can actually go around and scroll. We have this like Twitter, WhatsApp, YouTube button. So I'm guessing if we click Chrome, it's going to open up Chrome. Let's see. And it did open up Chrome, just minimized over here. And if we click our, for example, YouTube, it's gonna open up YouTube almost instantly. As soon as I click the button, it literally opened it right there. That is really fast, really responsive. I like that a ton. There are so many different things you can assign to this device. Like I said, it is a fully customizable, up to your desire. Whatever you want to do with it, you can do with it. That's what I like a lot about it. I'm gonna be playing with it way more in the future, and then I'm going to be doing a proper review for this device. Again, this is just like a first impression unboxing kind of video. I don't want to go too much into depth into the device because I haven't really used it that much, and when I do, I will make a proper review. Thank you very much, Loupedeck, for sending this product in. I really appreciate it. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of these Loupedeck videos, more reviews and more kind of like plugin reviews, make sure to drop me a comment down below as well. And if you don't know, I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Link is down in the description below. I would love for you to stop in, say hi. I play a lot of different games. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.